Receive the goods. Turn on the game console. Put the rockers on. The quality of the large 8-wire rocker is stable. Smooth operation. No delay. And no card. Built-in 20,000 many games. Spring fighting. 3 kingdoms. Dinosaur combat. You name it. Guangzhou Game Machine. Arcade Factory Direct Sales. Reliable quality. You unscrew the rocker. Close the machine. The machine weighs about 4 kilograms. The joystick acts as a handle when the spoon can be lifted. Comes with colorful ambient lights. Can be connected to TV display.